On behalf of NRDV Parivar, I extend a warm welcome to each and everyone present on this special Graduation Day ceremony. We all have gathered here today to celebrate the outstanding achievements of our students. Today, we celebrate not just the academic excellence, but also the hard work, dedication, perseverance that our students have demonstrated throughout the year. We all are really proud to recognize their achievements and inspire the next generation of learners. Before we begin, may I humbly invite esteemed Principal Ma'am and all the supervisory heads to felicitate our students. We will first be recognizing the achievements of our rank holders from classes 3 to 5. To begin with Standard 3, our first rank holder is Aradhya Panda of Standard 3C, and children, you all should not stop clapping. God bless you, Aradhya. We are so proud of you. And she has secured 99.4% marks. Well done, Aradhya. Our second rank holders are two students. They are Adyansh Das and Sai Shubham Chaudhary from 3C. Both of them have secured the second rank, second position with 99%. May I humbly request the class teachers to please join us on the stage, please. God bless you, Sai Shubham. God bless you, Adyansh. have two students, and they are Partha Pratim Nanda of 3B and Ayush Kumar Behera of 3D. Partha Pratim and Ayush Kumar Behera, and both of them have secured 98.8% marks. May I request the class teacher to join us, please? Let us have a huge round of applause for them, the rank holders of Standard 3. God bless you all, dear children. We will move on to Standard 4 now. Okay, and the first position has been bagged by Jasmine Rao. Jasmine Rao of 4B. Jasmine Rao, she has secured 99.5% marks. The second position has been bagged by Ayush Swain of 4C. Simultaneously, I would also like to request the class teachers to please join us on the stage, please. And the third rank holder is Sanjeevani Panda, yet again from 4C. Sanjeevani has secured 99.2% and Ayush Swain has secured 99.4%. Can we have a huge round of applause for them? These students have demonstrated exceptional academic excellence throughout the year.
All the classes have clear there?
God bless you, children. We will now move on to Standard 5, and the first rank has been bagged by Aditya Prasad Das of 5B, and he has secured 99.75%. God bless you, Aditya. The second position is shared by two students. The second position has been bagged by Jagjit Samantrai of 5A and Shibansh Mahapatra of 5D. Shibansh Mahapatra 5D. And the third rank goes to Jigyasa Rautai of 5B. May I request all the class teachers of Standard 5 to please join us on the stage. We want all the class teachers of Standard 5.
All the class teachers.
Please be on the stage with us. Jigyasa has secured 99%. Sibansh and Jagjit have secured 99.25%. And Aditya has secured 99.75% of marks. God bless you all, dear students. We are really, really proud of you. The next category is the all-rounder child, demonstrating exceptional performance and outstanding achievement in both academics and extracurricular activities. And the all-rounder child of Standard 3 goes to Siddharth Gautam from 3B. I would like to request all the class teachers of Standard 3 to please be on the stage. And the Shining Star of Standard 3 goes to Aradhya Panda and Sai Shubham Chaudhary. Yet again, God bless you both. So wherever they go, they shine like a bright star, isn't it? May I request Supriya ma'am, all the class teachers of Standard 3 Last but not the least, the all-rounder of Standard 5 is Utpalash Jena of 5B. So proud of you, Utpalash. And the shining star of Standard 5 is Shriya Samara of 5C. May I again request the class teachers of Standard 5 to please be on the stage with us. All the class teachers of Standard 5. Pratibha madam, please join us on the stage, please. Pratibha Pandya ma'am.
She's there. She's coming.
Okay, children, for one last time, let us have a huge round of applause. Wonderful. God bless you all. Really, all of your hard work has really paid off. You all have done it. We all have successfully completed one more year. Thank you all. Thank you to all the students. Now, I would like to invite our esteemed principal ma'am to please.
Good morning. Are you hungry? Are you happy? So once more, good morning. Thank you so much. Thank you. I should thank you first, my students, my dear students, for giving us the opportunity to be with you as curious learners in the academic session of 2024 and 2025. I thank each one of you for cooperating, for being courageous to come to school every day, to be a part of the learning and to enjoy your learning. Did you enjoy the learning? All of you, did you enjoy your learning? Yes. Now, I will bless you that in the next session of 25-26, let your learning multiply manifold, happily, joyfully, so that we once again celebrate a successful year next year at this time. So my dear children, God bless you with health, happiness and joy for a very successful year of academic session 25-26 ahead. Today you have shown us that with your little efforts of skill, knowledge and attitude, you have grown a step, you have moved a step higher, you have grown an inch taller, not only in your physical strength but also mental strength. Now this graduation ceremony is actually, let me tell you the significance of graduation ceremony. After the inculcation of NEP 2020 into the schools of India, we are now having the educational structure as 5 plus 3 plus 3 plus 4. So here the graduation ceremony is actually meant for standard 5 children, those who have completed the first 5 years of schooling in the school and they move out to standard 6 with new aims and objectives. So my dear students of standard 5, you have to prove yourself that you have graduated from standard 5 to standard 6 and you take up newer responsibilities. You take up newer responsibilities along with the learning, along with the skill. Today, it is not only rote learning from the books, it is not only memorization, it is all about how you apply your learning into your day-to-day activities. So on this day of graduation ceremony, I request each of you to reflect on what you have learned in the last academic session and how far you are able to acknowledge and apply in your day-to-day life. That would be the correct and the right attitude of classroom transaction. Now, I should take this opportunity to thank the teachers, those who were very keenly involved with each of you in order to transact the curriculum of the academic session 24-25. It went along with activities, with games, with fun days, with bagless days, and I hope through these activities you have tried to learn what is important in our day-to-day life. If you have inculcated that value, then the learning transaction in the classrooms will be successful. And at the end of my deliberation today, I take this opportunity to thank all my parents out there, the parents of my little children, who are blooming bright here with their learning, with their attitude, with their knowledge, for giving us the logistic support and fostering a conducive environment at home to learn what is complemented in the classroom transaction. So I thank each and every parent who are standing in front of us and those who are at home also for providing our children the platform to learn at home, which is equally complementary to the classroom transaction. And at the end, I thank God for giving us this platform of LRDAV to nurture some bright citizens, the future citizens of our country. We do not know where the wings will fly after 10 years of 14 years of schooling, because the world is large, the world is yours, and you all are the gift of God. So may God bless you, dear children, and have a bright and happy academic section of 25-26 ahead also. Let God bless you. May God bless you with health, happiness and joy. Thank you. Thank you everyone.
Good morning, one and all. This honor wouldn't have been possible without my teachers and supervisor ma'am's tireless effort in educating and mentoring me throughout my academic journey. So I am very, very thankful to my dear teacher, supervisor ma'am, and dearest principal ma'am. Thank you.